Hello, and welcome to the rigging tutorial for the JBL SRX918SF and SRX915SF Flyable Subwoofers. To suspend the subwoofers, begin by deploying the front rigging bars. Remove the pin, and the bar will extend. Reinsert the pin to lock it into position. Place the spreader bar of the compatible array frame across the rigging bars. Ensure that the arrow points toward the grill. Using the correct A, B, or C position, pin the spreader bar to the rigging bar. After an array has been designed in Venue Synthesis, all the relevant rigging information can be found in the Mechanics tab, including the correct A, B, C position, frame orientation, and shackle hole. Next, pin the extension bar to the spreader bar. Consult the side label to ensure the correct front-to-back orientation is used. Lift the extension bar and flip up the rear link bar from its storage position. Pin the two together using the same A, B, or C position. Attach the shackle. Connect the hoist and lift the subwoofer off the ground. To attach an additional subwoofer, deploy its rigging bars and position it below the flown subwoofer. Remove the lower front pins from the flown subwoofer. Then land it on top of the ground subwoofer. Reinsert the pins to connect the two together. Remove both rear pins from the flown subwoofer, flip up the rear link bar, and lock it in place using the lower link pin. Lift the stack, then reinsert the stop pin. Repeat these steps to add additional subwoofers to a flown array. To create mixed arrays with flown subwoofers and compatible line array speakers, begin by setting the angles on the first stack of speakers. Be sure to use the array frame angle position marked as AF for the speaker that will connect to the subwoofer. Remove the pins from the bottom subwoofer. Land the subwoofer onto the front rigging points of the top speaker. Insert the pins to secure them together. Following the same steps used to rig full-range speakers, lift the complete system by the front points to allow the cabinets to expand. Then insert the stop pins into the top three cabinets. Grab the rear handlebar of the transporter and pull backward while lowering the array until the front wheels touch the ground. Continue lowering the array until the rear points are drawn close enough together to insert the subwoofer's link pin. Lift the array off the ground. Insert the subwoofer stop pin and remove the transporter. Continue the process of rigging the array as outlined in the rigging video and manual. To de-rig the mixed array, start by removing the lower sections of the line array cabinets as shown in the de-rigging video and manual. With the final stack of cabinets remaining, attach and secure the case bottom or VT. Remove the stop pins from the top three line array cabinets and the lowest subwoofer. Pull back on the handle of the transporter while simultaneously lowering the array. Land the array on the front wheels and continue lowering until the cabinets have completely collapsed back to their storage positions. Working from the bottom up, reset the angle selection pin and link bars to the storage position, skipping the top cabinet. Then remove the link pin between the line array cabinets and the subwoofer. Raise the array until all four VT or case wheels touch the ground. Remove the front pins to disconnect the stack, and then it can be loaded out. Reinsert the subwoofer's pins for storage. To separate subwoofers from each other, remove the rear stop pin at the separation point. Then land the array on the ground. One sub at a time, disconnect the link pin and the front two connection pins. Then lift the remaining array. Slide the disconnected subwoofer out of the way and return the rigging bars to their storage position. Be sure any loose pins are secured. Then flip the subwoofer onto its transportation wheels and cover it. Continue these steps until no subwoofers remain. Alternatively, subwoofers can be landed directly onto a compatible vertical transporter cart with the rigging still connected as a stack 2 to 3 units high. Stacks can then be covered using a matching VT cover. For additional information, please consult the SRX900 rigging manual available at jblpro.com.